Good afternoon all. This is your modern marketing management subject. In previous classes, we have discussed about meaning of marketing management and its nature. So this is your next topic, that is evolution, concepts or philosophies of marketing. Marketing has been practiced ever since existence of human race. So, the current understanding marketing is fundamental to the study of modern marketing management. So, we can trace the entire evolution of marketing in 6 phases. So, these are also called as important concepts and philosophies of modern marketing. So, these are the some important concepts. That is, first one, exchange concept, production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept and societal concept. So we begins with the first concept, that is exchange concept. It means exchange of product between buyer and seller. So exchange is an act of getting desired product or a services from someone by offering something in return. So people started exchanging their products by getting satisfaction. So here the main focus is exchange, but marketing is not about just a exchange. Then for that, next comes production concept. In this concept, the main focus is more product quantity is more customers. So the companies prefer that if a product is widely available and inexpensive, the consumer will buy. This is the main focus. So for that, the companies started producing more products through the high efficiency, low cost and mass distribution. So here in this concept, there is a demerit because the customer will not buy the product which is available. They will see the product quantity, quality also. Then next comes product concept. So in a product concept, main view is more product quality, the more customer. So customer will prefer a product which is more quality, more performance and any other advantages added in that product. So the company started focusing on superior product and improving it. So and next comes, that is selling concept. And this concept is common among all other business orientations. So here the company's main focus is more sales is more business. So the marketing companies try to concentration on effective promotion and aggressive selling. So in this concept, the needs and wants of the customers is ignored and the company tries to selling the product which is made by them. The next comes that is marketing concept. In this concept, the main focus is identifying unfulfilled needs and wants of the customer. So I have already discussed with you what is identifying and fulfilling the needs of the customer. So this is the modern concept which tries to identify and satisfy the customer needs. So the company focus on main 4 pillars, that is target market, customer needs through integrated marketing approaches and profit. The main objective is about profit. And next comes, that is the last concept, societal concept. So this is the newly emerged concept. So this concept focus on individual needs as well as society needs. So the marketing company can build social and ethical consideration in their marketing practices. So for example, here if a company produce a car which consume less petrol and in return it creates a more pollution, so here customer will get satisfaction because of less petrol consumption, but a societal need is ignored here, so it creates a pollution. So this is not societal concept, this is the marketing concept. So in societal concept, individual needs has to be satisfied and social needs also must be satisfied.